Today we're gonna make my favorite Christmas cookies, which is Schokomakronen. They're super easy. Ingredients-wise, you only need 4 ingredients: sugar, egg whites, almonds, and chocolate. That's it.
For grating, no, no, yes.
We are using 56% one. Yeah. We've usually used darker one. I think 70% one. So the chocolate is ready, and it's gonna stay there for a second. We're gonna get the almonds ready. We have 250 grams of almonds, and we need to gram them. It's not as fine as the almond flour. So now we can turn on the oven at 175 degrees. So now we need 3 egg whites. So we beat the egg whites until it's very stiff. We will add 200 grams of sugar now.
Now we put in the ground almonds. Oh, very nice. And the chocolate. Which made it mostly into the bowl, which is good.
Yay.
And now, just gently fold everything in together. I don't see any stray bits of chocolate or nuts, so that's good. We get to put it on the baking sheet now. My preferred weapon of choice is a small scoop like that. We used to always do it with some little spoons, and so like 2 teaspoons in some water so it doesn't stick. And yeah, they didn't come out looking that beautiful, so this is much better, I think. I can't remember, do we do 3 or 4 here? Maybe just 3.
Well, 3.
Now I will set the timer for, I don't know, 10 minutes? Okay, 10 minutes it is.
The best Christmas cookies ever.